Low-sodium living. 5 tips for cooking delicious meals with less salt. Number 1. Use fresh, whole ingredients for natural flavors. Number 2. Choose unsalted or low-sodium broth and canned goods. Number 3. Limit the use of processed and pre-packaged foods. Number 4. Enhance taste with garlic, onion, and other aromatics. Number 5. Experiment with herbs like rosemary and thyme. Now, can you tell us about your tips and tricks for cooking delicious meals with less salt? Share with us below.